If you're moving to a new PC and want Firefox to feel exactly the same, with your bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, extensions, and settings all intact, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Firefox browser profile to a new computer the easy way, without reinstalling everything from scratch. This is a great method if you want a smooth transition and you do not want to lose any of your browser data. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, on your old computer, open Mozilla Firefox. This is where we'll find the profile folder that contains all of your browser data. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the menu button. That's the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, click Help. Then select More Troubleshooting Information. This page gives you access to advanced Firefox settings and the exact location of your profile folder. On this page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Profile Folder. Next to it, click Open Folder. A File Explorer window will open, and this is the important part. You don't want just the single files inside here yet. What you need is the full Firefox profile folder itself. So once the folder opens, go one level up to the parent directory. This is the directory where Firefox stores all profile folders on your computer. Now, locate your Firefox profile folder. It usually has a random looking name made up of letters and numbers. That folder is the one holding your personal Firefox data. Copy the entire folder, not just the contents inside it. This folder includes things like your bookmarks, saved logins, extensions, cookies, browsing history, and custom browser settings. After that, paste the copied profile folder onto a USB flash drive, external hard drive, or any other storage device you want to use. Make sure the transfer completes fully before disconnecting the drive. This gives you a portable backup of your Firefox profile that you can move to the new PC. Now go to your new computer and open Mozilla Firefox there as well. Just like before, click the menu button in the top right corner, go to Help, and then choose More Troubleshooting Information. Again, scroll down to Profile Folder and click Open Folder. When the File Explorer window opens on the new computer, go one folder up to reach the parent directory. This is the Profiles directory where Firefox stores profile folders on the new device. Now paste the Firefox profile folder you copied from the old computer into this location. If Windows asks whether you want to replace files or merge folders, take a moment and make sure you're pasting into the correct profile location. In most cases, you're copying the full profile folder over so Firefox can recognize it properly. Once the paste is complete, close Firefox if it is still open and then reopen it so the browser can load your transferred profile. At this point, your Firefox profile should now be available on the new PC, with your familiar bookmarks, extensions, and personal browser data ready to go. If everything transferred correctly, it should feel like you're using your old browser on the new computer. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.